Let's talk a little bit about the evolution of libraries because it's not just about books anymore. There's access to so much more when you go to a library in Lambton County.
Certainly, libraries have evolved from those days back when we can think that they were just simply repositories of books and knowledge. And today there are so many more things beyond books. So certainly we have a long list of additional items or non-traditional library items, if you will, which we market as our library of things. And they can range from sports kits to projectors to telescopes to binoculars. And then of course as well, we have a really extensive online platform that ranges from learning tools like online courses or certificate programs through to audiobooks and ebooks that are available online as well.
Okay, and I know several libraries have spaces for kids too called the maker space or something like that.
Yes, we have a permanent makerspace at Sarnia Library downtown that provides people with access to technology where you can make things. So that would be things like 3D printers or sewing machines, or even converting those old VHS tapes of family Christmases or birthdays of the past into more present day technology.
You mentioned the audiobooks and the subscriptions and to all of that. I mean, before the show we were talking about and saying that any of those subscriptions will range between $10 to $15. So give or take, that's going to run you about $150 a year. But with having access to a free library card, you get access to those as well.
That's right. With a free library card, as long as you live, work, study, own property in Lambton County, or a member of a First Nations community throughout the province of Ontario, that provides you with access to a free Lambton County library card. And then with that card, we have apps such as the Libby app, which has magazines, books, and also even things like cookbooks or audiobooks. And then we have another app that would be called the Hoopla app, and that gives you access to music streaming, again, more audiobooks, and also television and movie series as well.